Alright, so I'm testing out sleeping in the Cybertruck. Eventually I'm going to get a bigger mattress that can go all the way across, but then I don't know what I'm going to do with my shoes. We'll see. Anyways, so it's like this. Whatever Tesla did, I think they left the truck bed open or something when they were working on it for like the last 3 weeks, and look, it's like gross. I'm going to have to get something to wipe that. There's like a spider web hanging that thing up there. But yeah, it's raining right now, as you can hear. So far, I don't see any water going in. So as long as you're not blasting it with a pressure washer or something, I think you're okay. If it's a really heavy like rainstorm, like super windy and really heavy rain, maybe you'll get some water in. But the only other issue is when you roll this tonneau cover back, all the rain is going to be like squeegeeing off and like falling inside. There is the truck bed that you can open that, so at least you can use that emergency latch to open that. You pull that cover off, and then there's like 2 string things that kind of work like a bicycle brake, where it has a wire in like a rubber tube, and then it pulls that, and then it unlatches. Like there's 2 of them, so each side unlatches. It was defective, they fixed that, and yeah. I did test it. When you open this, I did set for the bed lights to go on, so they do go on completely bright. I can open the tonneau cover slightly, like just barely, where the rubber seal's still keeping rain out, I believe, and then this light comes on. But yeah, I don't want to open it because then all the water will like spray down there, and then, or will go down there. So I might use the app and then open this and crawl out. We'll see. We'll see what I end up doing, because I don't want all the water to fall in and then go inside and everything else. So that's pretty much it. That's my adventure for today. See you guys later.